Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi, a math teacher. Today, in this class, we will learn about Roman numerals. See, in olden days, they are using Roman numerals to write the building dates. Even today, building dates and monuments, public dates are marked in numerals, and also we are used in clocks and watches. See, then what is mean by Roman numerals? It is nothing but a system of using alphabetic letters for the numbers is called Roman numerals. See, we have symbols for the numbers. 1 can be write in the symbol high. For the number 5, V. For the number 10, X. For the number 50, L. For the number 100, C. For the number 500, D. And also for the 1000, we are representing by M. See, before going to write the Roman numerals, we have to follow 3 rules for writing the Roman numerals. Let me see. Rule number 1. Rule of repetition. First rule is rule of repetition. What, children? Rule of repetition. Second one, rule of addition. Next, last, rule of subtraction. See, if you know these 3 rules, you can easily write the numbers in Roman numerals. First, rule of repetition. See, it is nothing but in rule of repetition, we have 3 steps. Step number 1, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Once again, I am going to repeat, children. First, in rule of repetition, first step, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. It means Roman numerals in the letter M can be written in Indo-Arabic numerals 1000. For M, 1000 into 2 equals 2000. Then M, 1000 into 3 equals 3000. This is rule of repetition, first step. Next, second, rule of repetition, second step. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. See, children, here one thing you have to remember, that I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. Means these letters can be repeated 3 times. More than 3 times we can't repeat it. Indo-Arabic numerals. For the number 1, we can write in Roman numerals I. For the number 2, I. For the number 3, I. For the 4, we cannot write I. This is the rule number 2 in that step 2. Next, rule of repetition, step number 3. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbol for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. Means this symbol cannot be repeated. For example, in Indo-Arabic numerals 10, we can't write VV. So, for the number 10, we can write X. This is correct. Did you understand, children? Okay, this is rule of repetition, 3 steps. Next, come to rule of addition. What it means, what it says. See, rule of addition says if a symbol of smaller value is written to a right of a symbol of higher value, we added the smaller value to the greater value. Means xi. The value of x is nothing but 10 plus the value of I is nothing but 1. It is equals to 11. It is equals to 11. This is rule of addition. Next, last rule. Rule of subtraction. See what it says. If a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. It means, see, when rule of addition, we are going to adding the smaller value in front of the highest value. Here we are going to subtracting. It means, see, xc, the value of x equals 10 and the value of c equals 100. xc equals 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, it becomes 90. This is rule of subtraction. In rule of subtraction, we have step 2. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Here rule says V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Means 95 can be written as C. 95 equals 100 minus 5. We can't write 100 minus 5, that is equals to VC. It is wrong. So we can write 95 equals 90 plus 5 equals XCV. The correct answer for 95 equals XCV. This is rule of subtraction step 2. Next, rule of subtraction step 3. I, X and C are used to subtract. Means, see the letter I, X and C are used to subtract. Means, see, IV equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. Ix equals 10 minus 1 equals 9. XL equals 50 minus 10 equals 40. XC equals 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. CD equals 500 minus 10 equals 40. CM equals 1000 minus 10 equals 900. Next, see, we know the 3 rules here. If you know the 3 rules correctly, we can write the numbers in Roman numerals very easily. Let me solve one example, children. See, what is MC? MXXI equal to. See, before going to write the Roman numerals into numbers, first we can separate this here. See, write M in the place of 1000, then in 100 place CM, then tens place X, and in ones place write I. See, it will become easy to identify. Now, we separated here. Now, for the value we know easily. M value equals 1000 and CM value equals 1000 minus 100. Then XX equals 10 plus 10 plus 10. I value equals 1. Then we can add this easily. See, 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1. It is equal to 1931. It is easy to identify. See, if you know this, you can move on to next example. Did you understand, children? Okay, let me move one more example. Then you will come to know. Okay, write 3817 in Roman numerals. See, when we are writing numbers to Roman numerals, first this number write in expanded form. It will become easy to write. See, 3817 equals 3000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. We know the value for 3000, that is M. For 800, D. For 10, X. Then for 7, VII. If you add, you will get the value M plus DCCC plus X plus VII is equal to XVI. This is the value for 3817. Did you understand, children? Okay. Thank you.